Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw donuts with our teacher. Let's get started. Hearing about donuts, many kids must be familiar with them. Lots of kids probably love eating donuts. So today, let's draw the shape of a donut together with the teacher. First, draw a big oval on the paper. Then draw a smaller oval in the middle of the big one. Using the same method, draw donuts of different sizes on the blank parts of the paper. Kids can adjust the size and position of the donuts as needed. The teacher has drawn 6 donuts on the paper. After drawing the overall shape of the donuts, we will give each donut different patterns and styles. Completing the general shapes of the 6 donuts, take a brown marker and draw a wavy line on each donut to create a pattern. After drawing the patterns, continue using the brown marker to fill in the wavy line areas. Once filled, all our donuts will look the same. Next, we will give the donuts different patterns and colors. For the first donut, use an orange marker to draw circles and dots, filling in the blank areas. For the second donut, use a purple marker in the same way. For the third donut, use a yellow marker with the same technique. For the fourth donut, use a blue marker. For the fifth donut, use a pink marker, again with dots and circles. For the last donut, use a green marker to fill and outline. And there you have it. After filling in the colors, our donuts are complete. Great job, everyone! Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.